gazetted that people should have precautions in fishing, or when the government introduced the fishing regulations, majority of our people in Buyende do not afford the expenses in terms of buying.
The Ministry of Agriculture has donated 8 hand tractors to residents in Buyende district to boost agriculture in the area. The Buyende district woman member of parliament, Annet Nakato, asked the farmers to properly utilize the tractors for agricultural use in order to boost commercial farming and alleviate poverty.
Nakato Annet, the district woman representative for Buyende district. The reason as to why I was really touched to speak for these garden tractors was that in Buyende, we normally experience scarcity of food or food insecurity almost every year. We always experience dry spell almost every year. And in the so doing, people starve a lot, people don't have any food to eat. For any person to get a livelihood or to treat another, they must sell food or they must sell land before one person is treated. And then secondly, 80% out of 100 people, majorly people were earning their living from Lake Choga. And when the government gazetted that people should have precautions in fishing, or when the government introduced the fishing regulations, majority of our people in Buyende do not afford the expenses in terms of buying nets, in terms of buying Indians, in terms of buying the expected precautions of boats. And in the so doing, people were so impoverished, and in the so doing, I wrote a concept note. I went and explained to the Minister of Agriculture, and indeed they responded. So today,